Gusto ko sanang humingi sa'yo ng sorry.
Sorry?
Nung tayo.
There was never an us.
Start twerking like Miley. Twerking like Miley. Stop.
Ano ba naman titig yan? Pa-fall? Marupok ako ha.
Naniniwala na ako sa forever magmula nung nakilala kita.
Sobra na. I promised my sisters I would be strong. But it's so unfair.
You can be my new thing.
Hello, my name is Fabulous.
I just wanna see you dancing slow motion.
Ba't ba ako nagsalita ng ganun? No, ito na lang. Kasi
Okay.
I've been waiting for a sorry. A personal sorry.